Hello. Today we're going to make a very simple puppet, Humpty Dumpty, and our product will look like this. Humpty Dumpty, as you know, comes from a nursery rhyme which goes like, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Well, it is a sad nursery rhyme, but in English, nursery rhymes are really very strange. They're all sad. Well, now what we need is an egg-shaped. Sorry, I forgot to remind you what we need for this puppet. We just need a small piece of cardboard. It can also be paper, but remember, we're going to insert our fingers with the paper. It may tear or it may not stand like this. It may fold. So cardboard is better. But the shape is not important. The size is not important. This is just Humpty Dumpty, very small egg man. So we need a pen to draw, of course, Humpty, and we need a pair of scissors to cut. That's all we need. Now we can draw an oval shape or egg shape on this paper. Remember, this is a finger puppet, so it shouldn't be very big. Should be medium size or small. So here we have the egg shape. Of course, we need a face for Humpty. Humpty may be an egg, but still, it is a man. So I will have 2 eyes, again, funny eyes, a nose, and a smiling mouth. Here you go. We need 2 circles down here so that students can insert their fingers. So let me draw the circles, but these circles will be cut out. They are not gonna stay here, okay? Right. Now, let's do this cutting thing. Trace the outer line of Humpty Dumpty and cut this shape out. I do not suggest this activity for very young learners because cutting these circles out requires fine muscle movement. So younger learners may have difficulty. They may end up asking for help, which may cause frustration. To do that, I will just fold the circles to make a slit in the middle so that the scissors can go in and cut it out. Yes, we cut out these 2 circles. We don't need them. See, this slit here helps the scissors to go in the circle so that we can cut the circle. Here you go. It's ready. Now they can insert their fingers and sing the nursery rhyme together with you. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Well, hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.